Here with Shirley Hansen to talk about performance contracting. Hi, Shirley.
Hi, it's my pleasure to talk with you today, Megan, about performance contracting, because in these hard times, people need money, they need equipment, and performance contracting is a recession-friendly approach. It allows people to get new equipment and to get money out of their facilities and use for the mission or the organizational objectives that are so important to them. They are sitting on money that is going to waste. All the money that goes up the smokestack every day is money that is lost that we can never get back. Energy service companies can come in and identify ways to get the handle on that money and make it available to the owner. So this is very timely kind of industry, and not surprising, the industry is doing very well right now.
They are? Now, are there any federal programs in place right now that are promoting performance contracting? You know?
They are promoting energy efficiency, and they are promoting renewables, and energy service companies can take advantage of both of them. There is, however, one caveat there. The federal regulations do not allow the contractor to have any financial stake in the product. Therefore, Johnson Controls can do ESCO work, but they can't put Johnson Control equipment in the project.
Wow.
So they sell their services, and they actually install somebody else's equipment. But it works, because the management part, the services part, is what is most important. Years ago, I was asked by Caterpillar whether they should get into the services business or not. And what I said to them is, around the world each year, there is $100 trillion in electrical equipment sold. There's $1,000 trillion in electricity sold. The next year, you get to sell that same $1,000 trillion of electricity. Which business would you rather be in? And the ESCO business is like that. It sells a service, and it sells it over and over again. It is the expertise that makes them so valuable to the customer, not the equipment.
Oh, wow. All right, fascinating. And how are we doing in the U.S. in terms of developing people with that level of expertise?
As far as performance contracting goes, we are doing very well, because basic to performance contract is financing. And the financial community has finally figured out how to loan money based on cash flow, not asset-based. This is a tough thing to educate the commercial banks in other countries. So the biggest obstacle other countries have to do performance contract is a lack of financing. Here, if you don't get a project finance, you should go back and look at the project.
All right. Is there anything else you can think of that you'd want to say about performance contracting?
That it is an ideal mechanism to fit into our new concerns about sustainability, because you can do it to sell the services we need in water, and water is the next major crisis around the world that is going to make energy seem like child's play. And ESCOs can do that and energy and bring it all together with just a better job of managing the resources we have for the owner.
All right. Well, that's fascinating. Thank you so much, Shirley.
You're welcome.